Hello, everybody, and welcome to this very special guide on how to write a blog post to rank on Google in 2025. This is going to be a pretty quick and basic guide to everything that you need to nail in order to really start to rank on Google in 2025. I'm actually going to add /ChatGPT here, and we're going to basically be going through all of the basics that you will need to rank on these two search engines. So before we get started, this is just the last 28 days of Two Men. You can see this is a page that contains blogs. So the blog itself is getting 20,000 clicks almost every single month with 1 million impressions. What's working now is what was working previously as well. And I'm just going to go into that in this video. So I'm going to open an example here, which is this article right here, the most expensive jacket in the world. And I just want to talk about just how quickly and how easily you can actually produce something of high quality, provided that you do a few certain things. So the first thing that you really want is a featured image. The featured image should be branded, it should have your logo, and it should look good, right? So that's what this is here. It's just a picture of, the most expensive jacket. There's the logo, and then, the title as well. The second thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have a table of contents or a key takeaway table. This is becoming more and more important. The reason is AI summaries are taking over from featured snippets, and a key takeaway table or a table of contents or some bullet points explaining all of the main topics at the top are how things like ChatGPT and Google actually crawl your website. So having these at the top is absolutely vital. I would say having a table of contents and having a key takeaway table is better than having just a table of contents or just a key takeaway table. Now you can use a plugin for this, for Shopify, for WordPress, etc. It's very, very easy to make. You can ask ChatGPT to make you one. It's not difficult, guys. There's no real excuse to not have one. Now, another thing, key takeaways table, like I said, having links inside this key takeaway table, I cannot say this enough, will help you rank on Google. Having links in here will help this page also rank on Google. You're spreading topical authority from one website to another. Holy shit, that's gone up in price. What the fuck? Jesus. So, yeah, don't ask about the price, by the way. So you can see here, this link to this coat here. If I go on Google, right, and I type in, let me try and show you this. Most expensive coat in the world. Okay, so it hasn't done it this case. Let's try jacket, most expensive jacket in the world. Okay, so what I was trying to show you is kind of what's happened here, which is how their listings, their 10, 9, and 8, is what has become the meta description, right? That's what I was trying to show you here, but it didn't pick up the table. It picked up the first sentence of the of the article, which is very, very important. This sentence here is extremely important. You can see in the realm of luxury fashion, there are pieces that redefine opulence, and there's the Kiton brown leather crocodile cashmere V-cut coat, price understanding 225,000 euros, approximately 241,000 USD. This jacket isn't just expensive, it's quite possibly the most expensive jacket in the world today. Bang. Right? Very quick, very snappy, very to the point, gives you all of the information you need. You would not have to read more than this to understand the entire gist of the article, right? That is what I'm trying to get across to people. This is super important. Let me show you another example. Let's go to the one that has good clicks. This one has good clicks. This is from 2023, right? Oh, it's also in Spanish. Never mind. Let's see. Maybe this one that's got 238 clicks. When's this from? This is quite an old one as well. Oh, that's Arabic. Okay, so we'll go to this one. 5 best European jeans brands, right? Bang, bang, and then all you need is that information. All of the information that the user, the reader, will ever need from this article is at the very top of the article. 5 best Italian designer jean brands: Boss, K&T, Kiton, Marco Pescarolo, Sartorio, Travarossa. People do not need to dig further. People don't need to read more. They can read more if they want to, right? But if they don't want to, they just want to click on K&T and they want to start buying, you have successfully given the user what they wanted from their search term, which means Google will rank you higher. If you are giving people a positive search experience, Google will rank you higher on Google. That is just how it works. Everything else here, I mean, that's pretty much the secret, I would say, the secret sauce. Everything else here is just, you need to make sure that you've got everything split into H2, title, right? And then paragraph, and then sometimes a table explaining, right? And then inside that paragraph, you need internal links. And I'll show you all of this in a second. Internal links. What this basically means is you've got a link to the pages that are important to you. So the most important page on this website is this page here. This is the page that we're actually trying to rank on Google, Kiton, right? So the way that this works is we put internal links in our paragraph text to the important pages. So let's see this. H2, hello cat. H2, paragraph, link to Kiton, and then boom, image, right? So this is also important. Image. You do not want, the last thing that you want is a huge wall of text, right? That nobody's ever going to read, nobody's ever going to even bother looking at, right? It's just not going to happen. So what's best is to have an H2, for example, then a paragraph, then internal links here, maybe a table, and images, right? You need all of this good stuff. You'll see if I keep scrolling down here, there we go, there's the list, like I said. The table's at the top, there's another list, like I said. Is it worth it? Conclusion, bang, done. Now, would you be surprised to know that this article was written using ChatGPT? It's completely AI-generated content. It's getting 471 clicks and interested clicks as well. Clicks from people who are interested in products like this, at least showing some kind of interest, right? Most expensive jacket in the world, most expensive coat in the world. What is the most expensive coat in the world, etc., right? This is currently, in my opinion, the best way to write blog posts. It has been for the last 2 years. I've made one of these videos every single year, so I just thought I'd make a quick updated one. Has anything changed? Nah, I wouldn't say so. Things are exactly the same as they were last year, 2 years ago, etc. I don't think they've changed at all. I think that the methodology of ranking a blog, at least on Google, is exactly the same. Now, we've done this for many clients, across many clients. We have many blog posts ranking on Google. I'll just show you one more example. If you do want to talk to us, by the way, have a conversation with us and see if we're a good fit, there is a link in the description of this video to talk to us, basically. Same thing here. I think much less clicks for the blog, actually. But, you know, same kind of thing. Here we go. Best Ivy flat caps of 2024. 197 clicks for keywords that are things like best Ivy caps, best flat caps for men, etc. Right? So you can really see how this is a very effective process. Now let's see. So title, quick paragraph, featured image. There's actually no table for some reason. There should be, but that's okay. You can see very simple, very easy. Just picture, internal links, and lists. That's basically the key to this entire thing. I'm going to leave the video there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end of this video, you're an absolute legend. If you do want something that will do this for you, feel free to try out our software, Harbor, SEO.ai. Harbor will do this entire process for you. I built it myself to do this exact process without you having to worry about anything. Thanks for watching, and peace out.